Hey my peeps, let's make a mini 2-scoop s'mores ice cream. So it's kind of like the swirl. The base is going to be like the swirl ice cream I made. I'm just going to put a little piece of like a graham cracker cookie on the bottom. And we're going to texture it and make it look like a cookie. Even though you're not going to see the cookie. But I feel like just in case even a little corner shows, or you know, you could see a little bit of the bottom, at least you'll see that it's supposed to be a graham cracker, okay? So I'm just texturing it with my denture brush that I got from Dollar Tree. I really like that brush. And then I'm scoring the line on the bottom of the cookie, and I'm making the little holes in the cookie just to represent a graham cracker, okay? So you don't it has to be perfect or anything like that, because like I said, nobody's really probably going to see that part, but just in case. So I'm going to use a mold to make my ice cream scoop. You don't need a mold. You could just make a round, take a round ball of clay and texture with that like a denture brush like I have. But since I have this mold and it fits perfectly in that little dish, I'm going to use it, okay? So I put it in there nicely. I flattened the top a little bit. And then I'm going to make another scoop. Okay, I'm not going to fill up the mold all the way up for the second scoop. And I'm going to put it right on top. And then I'm going to try to bring the little scoop down a little bit to touch on the first scoop. Because if not, it's going to have a big gap. So try to texture that down until it touches the first scoop, okay? So now I'm going to get some of my chocolate drizzle, which is caulk paint and Mod Podge. If you have slick paint and you want to use that, it's perfectly fine. But I find that this makes it look more realistic. And not only that, it's economical. You make a bunch and you store it in a container and you have it for a while. So I like to just put it down and tap it so the drips kind of go on their own. So now I'm going to take some of my s'mores sprinkle mix that I made and just sprinkle that on top. And then I'm going to go with the rest of my drip. I'm going to put a little bit of drip on the bottom on my first scoop and tap it down just to get those drips flowing. And now I'm kind of looking for what should be my front. You know, like you look around and make sure you get the good angle. And then I'm just putting like a little swirl of cream on the top, and I drizzle that with a little bit of my drip. And then now I'm just gonna stick a little Teddy Graham on there, and I'm also gonna stick a piece of Hershey chocolate bar that I have, just a little piece. I didn't put a whole piece. I just put half, like a little half of it in there. And I forgot to put my little marshmallow, but afterwards I put a marshmallow. But anyway guys, that's it. Simple, easy, cute, and another version of ice cream. You can't have too much ice cream, can you? Anyway guys, I hope you like it. It goes perfectly with the rest of the stuff we made for our tier tray, and I hope you make some. Talk to you soon. Bye.